Hi everyone, this is Abrar. Welcome to Abrar Knowledge channel. Today's topic is storytelling, and I picked up from the book called 100 Moral Stories. The chapter number 16, the theme of the story is the boy and the apple tree. And the story goes like this. A long time ago, there was a huge apple tree. A little boy loved to come and play around it every day. He climbed to the tree top, ate the apples, and took the nap under the shadow. He loved the tree, and the tree loved to play with him. Time went by. The little boy had grown up and no longer played around the tree every day. One day, the boy came to the tree and looked sad. Come and play with me, the tree asked the boy. I am no longer a kid. I do not play around trees anymore, the boy replied. I want toys. I need money to buy them. The tree replied, sorry, I do not have money, but you can pick all my apples and sell them off. So you will have a money. The boy was so excited. He grabbed all the apples and the trees and left happily. The boy never came back after he picked the apples. The tree was sad. One day, the boy who was turned into man returned. The tree was excited. Come and play with me, the tree said. I do not have a time to play. I have to work for my family. We need a house for shelter. Can you help me? The tree replied, sorry, but I do not have any house, but you can chop off my branches to build your house. So the man cut all the branches of the tree and left happily. The tree was glad to see him happy, but the man never came back since then. The tree again lonely and sad. On hot summer day, the man returned and the tree was delighted yet again. Come and play with me, the tree said. I am getting old. I want to go sailing to relax myself. Can you give me a boat? Said the man. The tree replied, use my trunk to build your boat. You can sail far away and be happy always. So the man cut the tree's trunk to make a boat. He went sailing and never showed up for a long time. Finally, a man returned after many years. Sorry, my boy, I do not have anything for you anymore. No more apples for you, the tree said. No problem, I do not have any teeth to bite, the man replied. No more trunk for you to climb on, I am too old for that now, the man said. I really cannot give you anything. The only thing left is my dying roots, the tree said with tears. I do not need much now, just a place to rest. I am tired after all of these years, the man replied. Good. Old tree roots are the best place to lean on and rest. Come and sit down with me and have a rest. The man sat down. The tree was glad and smiled with tears. So, the moral of the story is this is the story of everyone. The tree is like our parents. When we were young, we loved to play without mom and dad. And when we grow up, we leave them, only come to them when we need something or when we are in trouble. No matter what, parents will always be there. give everything they could, and just to make us happy. You may think the boy is cruel to the tree, but that is how all of us treat our parents. We take them for granted and we do not appreciate what we have. So, what we should do is we should appreciate what we have, and we should be grateful for everything what we have, and we should be thankful to other as well. So that's a small story I wanted to share with you, and I hope you like this story. Please share with children, and please read this book. It's a wonderful book, and it has got many such wonderful stories around. Please do like, share, subscribe my channel. Have a nice day.